Ang mga palahubog sa tarnet. Tagay, tagay. Tagay, day, tagay. Day, Jubi, tagay, day.
Mga palahubog sa tulay, abot na. Kulap po.
Patulay, tuba. Tarawan na naman ako. Makita na
Sorry,
ninyo.
ako, Moscato.
Day, pa Moscato. Tutulay, bahal. Payet lang. For me? Payet. Thank you.
Open fire.
Paris, Tika Paris. Go Paris, oh. Tika Paris. Baby, baby. Other side. Yes, turn around. Kabalo na siya ang edge.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy 26th of December. So today is the day after Christmas, guys, and we are now ready again. It's currently 12:20 ata ng hapon, and ang ating baby girl ay ayan oh. Are you ready, Nak? Pabi? Pabi, are you ready? Nakabihis kami, guys, kasi we are going to see. Who are we going to see, Nak? Nak? Who are we going to see? Tito Juan. So, kikitain namin ang ating bestie Ron, guys. Actually, pupunta kami sa bahay ng auntie niya, kung saan pupunta yung families niya. Kaya, punta-punta din kami, guys, as if family kami. In-invite kasi kami, guys. Kaya, pupunta kami. But before kami pupunta, guys, we will go to the shops first because you know the buntit, guys. I've been slacking around for the last few weeks and yeah, hindi ako ready, hindi ako nakapagbili ng gift for my bestie and all, but I know that I'm going to see him today, kaya pupunta tayo ng shops. We're gonna grab something for him and for Gav. Nakabili na naman ako ng chocolates and all for the family, guys, doon. Kaya drive from here, guys, papunta doon sa kanila is around 1 hour. Kaya yun, and also, I'm very hungry now, guys. I gotta get something to eat kasi ang ating baby ay humihingi na ng pagkain. And, yeah, so we gotta go now, guys. I'm gonna quickly show you my outfit for today. So, this is my outfit, guys. Ayan, so we've got the Balma top shirt, actually. And then, I've got this parang leopard print na midi skirt. And I've got my white sneakers. Ayan, so that's our outfit. And I'll just pair it with this cute little handbag here. Ayan, so that's it. And guys, hindi na talaga to siya bilbil lahat, guys, ha? I know I have a lot of bilbil. Like, I have a big bilbil. But you know what, guys? It's showing a little bit na talaga. Ayan. Anyways, that's just, you know, the baby telling the world that I'm here. It's real, I'm real, I am in mommy's tummy. Ayan. This is our baby girl's outfit. Ayan. Ay, shush! Show your shoes, baby.
Okay?
What's wrong?
Kenapa?
What's wrong? Ito yung dadalhin namin, guys. Oh, where's your water bottle, na? Dito ang ating daddy Mike. Hi, daddy. Thank you, princess. It's a nice day. Very warm. I thought it's going to be cold today, Anna.
Mommy, I want crackers.
You want crackers?
Yes.
Okay. Here. What do you say to mommy?
Okay.
You're welcome. Nabasa naman kanak. Papa. Huh? That's part of the dress. Huh?
Come.
Come, let's go. Hi, Dee. Sa hi, Sabo.
Welcome to Osaka. Welcome to Japan.
Japan.
Welcome to heaven, bro.
Yun, Shinda?
How much did you? 1 hour turban?
Yeah, 1 hour. Bonggay.
Welcome to my house.
Bonggay lang po, It feels like I've been here before.
Yeah.
Did you?
Have you been to her old house?
No.
Your old house? Oh my god. Ano to, swimming pool? It's good home.
Hello!
Thank you for coming, guys.
Oh my God! Ano ba? Kaon, Jude. Kaon, grabe. Naghalas sa ibuka.
House tour.
Happy birthday! Yeah, I know. Maglipat naman ko. Ano ito? Asa ko magsugod.
House tour ko na house tour. Ikaw ingon sa house tour.
Malagi. Oh, ano siya.
Video pa siya na YouTube na mo.
Oh my God, ang fish. Amanda ang fish. Oh my God. So much food. Merry Christmas to all. Kaon na did kita. Hi, honey. Hello.
Oh,
Ang mga palahubog sa tayo
Tagay, tagay. Tagay, day, tagay. Day, Juby, tagay, day.
Kalahapog sa tulay. Abot na. Kulap po.
Patulay ito ba?
Tarawan na naman ako. Makita na
Australia ka mas
Day, day, pamuskato, tutulay bahal. Pamuskato na rin mo.
Susyala.
Yun, day, parang kote ito ba?
Guys, ang dami pa nilang pagkain.
Hindi, magtagalog na ko eh.
Grabe, Tagalog pa tayo na. Kaya Tagalog dating vlog.
Nakakwarta ka ng Tagalog.
Uy, makasabot.
Awayin pa. Jure. Jure, gusto niyo.
Cheers! May kindaras, may kupatangga. Oo, mangindahan mo.
Take a photo. Take a photo?
Yang Ariyang! Uy, di na imot!
Tapa kayo sila.
Ako ako ni Padapay. Padapay na, ano na ni. Nagana ko, regalo, picture sa treke.
Drink forward, drink.
For me? Oh, thank you.
Open Paris.
Paris, Africa, Paris.
Munggo Paris, oh.
Africa, Paris.
Baby, Paris.
Yes, turn around.
Kabalo na siya asa ang edge.
Sila na yun.
She's born for this.
What's your head?
Yun siya, diba? Daddy, I'm gonna go get my person from Santa. And then like, Mike said like, oh really? And she said like, oh, Tita Ron only. Open seat. Wow. Wow.
Katuhan ako na siya sa tulog. One more?
Hang on, Tita Ron, we'll cut it. There you go. Wow. What do you say to Tita Ron, na? Thank you.
Barbie! Wow!
Wow. Good job. Come here. Wow. How about the other one? You open the other one. Yahay kayo duha iya Hindi mo siya na wala. This doesn't count.
Hindi siya lang, karya duhaan.
Wow. What is that? What is this? What is this? Painting. Yeah.
Yes. And to see.
Say thank you. Thank you, Tita Ron.
Yes. Hug?
Karong? Tito Gav too? Tito Gav too? Say thank you.
Thanks. Yum. So cute. Cute.
This is what they got as far as they were.
Thank you.
How about the other one, the Tito Gav?
And this is for summer. Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna show you.
Saktan po.
Give it Tito Gav first.
Yes, Tommy.
Thank you.
And say thank you.
Santa po.
Say thank you. Say thank you.
Where's Nicholas, Mami? Give to Mami.
Gusto niya siyang mag-open.
Open.
Honey, oh. You play Paris? Okay. Come on, Paris, you play.
Let's run the camera.
You play. Gentle Paris.
Oh, she knows how to say a word that I just said. Can you say Woojin? She said Woojin.
Mangulit naman lang galay mo sa aba gyapon kayo mo.
Patingdag ko ah.
Dakan kayong tanong diri ti.
Pura buyag.
Kaya nagdaghan ta kani yung buwak day unya amo magpintalan mo lang.
Tamlan usan ako sunflower. Rapit ka mamuwak.
Ah, oo. Pauwi na kami guys. It's now 6:30 na.
Show daddy.
Show your mouth, B.
So much candies.
Uwian na. Kasi anong oras na guys? 6:30 pero sobrang hayag pa. Uwian na kami kasi si ate nyo ay feeling tired na guys. Oh my god. Gusto ko na namang magsuka. Hi guys! So it's now 8:20 ng gabi and kakauwi lang talaga namin dito sa bahay guys. Oh my god, it's been a long day. And Paris is now opening her gifts from Tito Ron. Say thank you, Tito Ron. Thank you, Tito Ron.
Ito yung tea, anak, right?
Ayan. So ito yung guys, yung binili ni Ron kanina for Paris. Tapos itong teapot niya oh. Nalalaro niya ngayon. And then, Ron gave us this. Ayan. Candle. And it's funny because yung binili ko for Gav is candle, then scented candle. And tapos, yung kay Ron, yung binili ko para sa kanya is yung shirt. Yung may flamingo print na shirt and all. What's that? I'll open for you, babe. Wow, this is very, very nice. It's pink. So cute. But, my God, guys, sobrang dami nilang pagkain dun, guys. Nakita niyo naman kanina. If only I have like a bigger tummy, it would fit all that food. Daddy, cut this for Paris, please. It's too hard. Pero, guys, nagdala kami ng bring house. BH kasi si nanay man, pinadalhan niya ako. Kaya ayan, sa isang plastic bag. Yung dinala ko, pinadalhan niya ako ng rice. Sabi niya para hindi ka na magluto tonight. So, nagdala ko ng isang Tupperware na rice. And, oh my God, you can't believe it, guys. This one here, inside this is dilis. Yung bulad ba? Yung pinirito. Kasi, yun talaga yung kinain ko doon. Kahit sobra nilang daming pagkain, yung kinain ko talaga is yung rice tsaka yung dilis. Yung maliliit na mga dried fish ba. Ayan, nilagay ni nanay sa foil para hindi mangamay. And then, I've also got palabok. Ayan, my favorite, palabok. I've got chicken. Hindi ko maalam na meron ganito guys. Si nanay lang yung nilagay dito.
Yeah, Paris?
Ayan.
Yeah.
So may ganito po.
Yeah.
And then the last plastic here is my sapin-sapin. Ayan, dessert natin mamaya guys. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap talaga nito. I'm so happy na nilagyan ni nanay ng sapin-sapin. Alam nyo guys, sobrang bait nila talaga. Like, I know I'm not, like blood related, right? But you can tell no wonder why naging best friend kami ni Ron. Kasi, I don't know, it's just similarities with I don't know, yung personality lang talaga guys. And si nanay, lahat sila yung mga kapatid niya, they're all very down to earth. And parang naging nanay ko na rin talaga sila. Kaya it's been 2 or 3 years na rin kami. Guys, pupunta kami doon every 26. So after Christmas Day. Kasi alam nyo naman dito kapag Christmas Day. Ayan o. Busog na si mami nyo.
Yeah.
But anyways, I'm gonna get something to eat guys. Kasi I am feeling like eating food. But hindi ako nasusuka ngayon guys. Kaya kakain tayo. And yeah, we're gonna get ready for bed soon as well. Because it's nearly 9 o'clock. But yeah, I just wanna say thank you for watching today's video. I really appreciate your time guys.
No, this one's for the bath.
Allah, one at a time, anak. Uy, don't open everything, nak. You can play with everything. Sobrang dami na ni Paris laruan, guys.
No, not this one. This one's for the bath.
Well, only when you go to the bath, honey, then
This
you
one's
can
for
do
the bath.
painting there.
This one's for the bath, honey, not for
Yeah.
not for here. Do you want to have a bath later and you can play with this one?
Just give me tea for now, please.
Let's have tea.
Please.
This one is for the bath, inside the bath.
Anyways, guys, before natin i-end yung ating
Inside the
vlog, I just
bathtub.
wanna do our quick shout
We
out.
need to have a bath.
Shout out
Do you wanna have a
to A. Huablar, Carlota Papio from Malta, Europe. Hello, thank you for watching. Shout out to Eliza Faith
No, open this one
Ramke
so we have the
and
bath.
also Lumanta family sa EMB Homes Labangal Jensan. Shout out to Neil Rose Langkuyan, Emelita Gonzalez, Elizabeth Pacatang, Viviel Elerio, Marga Sabel, Sally Saminiano, Dineth Cruz, Tan Pham, Crispina Palma. Shout out to Darlene Divina Gracia, Jing De Ases, Annabel Pahuayan, Jana Alawi,
Do you have any other
Marivec Arnejo, Roots TV, Freebid LJ, Yet Belino, Bing Puyat, Adelita Alimon, Hilaska, Bernadette Ardina, Ellen Osha, Esmeralda Fields and Moonbeams Teresa RL, Rebecca Rivera,
Wow.
Joanne Owano, Joanne Ambe, and Maribel Robles. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Paris, thumbs up. Yeah. This way, I can see you. This way. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up. And good girl. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't...
Guys?